Yeah, so this is Sunday, October 4th, and it is a videotape and audio recording of this noise coming out of the boiler. The noise is accompanied with all the flooding that's happening here. It is throughout the garage, it's under the car, it's coming heavily from all sources. It's a large amount of water. We don't have any hot water at this time, and the water is just pouring and flooding the whole garage. And so far we have not been able to reach anyone to help. As you can see, the paint is coming off. It's a large quantity of water gushing out. I'm gonna focus there where it's gushing out. At high rate.